Right then, so here we are installing the throttle body for my MK6 Fiesta St150, and would you believe it, I've actually fixed the issue. It's absolutely fantastic. So literally that needed a clean. It wasn't the PVC valves that needed swapping out. Now basically what symptoms I was suffering, so when I'd start the car and try and put very low acceleration on the vehicle, it had just dropped down to about 600 700 rpm. So basically my assumption was, and obviously doing a bit of research online, that obviously the valve itself, you're putting that gas on, is revving, the valve isn't moving, but obviously your car's registering through the ECU that it's supposed to be getting this much airflow now, which was obviously cutting the car out and dropping the revs right down. So absolutely fantastic, absolutely buzzed that I've managed to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to release this full video in a bit. Do apologise, I've messed up with my tripod again. There's that little bit of light on the left hand side, so I just didn't quite get it right. I didn't take into account it focusing obviously when I was moving in front of the camera, so silly me. But I will release this in a bit. It's going to be a 6-minute clip, just me basically installing this, getting it all sorted. And I tell you what, it's the best the car's ever ran. So I presume it's always had this issue behind the scenes, and now we've got it sorted. I just can't believe it. So absolutely fantastic. Nice one for the old guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. I'll see you all top end.